transfer board.
Oh, see that phone. Hey, they got a sound studio in there too?
Right.
Save that breath.
It's probably better for inside.
Probably, yeah. I mean, I don't know. We can get in front of the fire line.
Yeah.
Just kind of run stuff
Yeah,
through here.
I know this guy.
Yeah, right?
Mr Steele, Norman, man. You look bigger on camera, man.
Tons of lead out of this the last time we lined up. We're off the back stop. But I mean, this is all, it's all armor plated, all, you know, we're 50 BG rated, like it's big.
So if you took a 5-inch quad and you went as fast as you could into that, how far do you think you'd get into it?
That's a huge bitch!
I don't know, we'll find out.
That's like violence.
Yeah, I was selling my stuff.
Have all your dreams come true?
Yeah, I just woke up and knew that today was going to be the greatest day of my life.
Me too. All appears.
America going on in here.
Yeah.
America.
This jacket's gonna be tainted with
Guns, drones, and freedom.
Guns, drones, and freedom.
Oh god. Sometimes, but it's not to offend you guys. Just say like, "Hey, safety, finger out the trigger," and you're like, "Yeah, just do it." Okay? Yeah, we want Steele to make it out of here alive, you know?
Mr Steele.
Oh
Yeah, right? Wow.
Wow.
Everything sounds good. I mean, if you do have a malfunction, just let us know. Other than that, you know, every setting guns down, everything's just pointed down range, just keeping everything pointed down range at all times.
Yeah, I have no problem just flying. I'll let everybody else have fun with the guns.
Calvin, how do we put this?
He's always walking into the camera. It's like he does it on purpose, this one. Oh, gee, look at that shirt, though. No, the other side. No, not your, I said shirt.
Oh my god.
Ava, you look really excited.
I want to shoot some guns.
These are using the B-Brain V1, so these are the last of the ones we have, so we thought, you know, what better way to send them out. We're gonna switch cameras now.
What if I don't want to? You ever think of that?
Okay, you good? You
Get off the floor!
Well, you know, getting fired on anything.
Oh man, I got it right here.
No. That's still on.
It's no more.
Dude, he just took out two motors. It's still good.
Hey, that antenna's good.
Frame and a couple motors. I think
It didn't puff. Kyle, are you still getting video?
I still have video.
Nice.
Hey!
Oh, great.
Arm it. Can you arm it?
It won't arm.
Oh, yeah.
I wonder why.
I wonder why. I wonder why.
That's so weird.
Yeah, I barely crashed it, and it's not working anymore.
We're going high. Load and make ready, boys. Okay. Okay.
He's got the Gen 5 bag.
Like, spread them.
What the? I don't know what I walked into, but I like it. Lower.
Nice shot. What's this? Okay, there you go. Let me unload you. Chad.
Oh, you're still spinning on this one. Yeah. Somebody did.
Hey.
Did you get it?
Damn right I did.
Dude, what is up there? Just blowing out the motors.
I guess it's harder to hit the camera.
Is the camera still on?
Yeah.
Another RMA. Yes. That's how we keep in business at NewBeeDrone.
What was your technique?
I aimed at it and pulled gently.
I use that.
You turn the gun sideways, shot like this.
And you got it like half of it in the beginning, huh?
Yeah.
What was your technique?
Well, I prefer to go for the kill shot, so you gotta turn it sideways.
But I have you in slow-mo. It was a little shaky.
Yeah, it was pretty bad.
Hey, aren't you in the military too?
It's the one and only Digo Double G.
Back it off.
Steele, what did you do?
Oh, is the battery?
Oh!
Steele made a kill.
I only had an extended mag, bro. I only got one round off.
Damn.
Can I get my replacement battery for this one?
Yes.
Yeah, go ahead and open it.
Barely.
There you go. That was good work, man.
Yeah. Look it up. That
Hey, go ahead and take your last. Oh, I want to see the posts.
Do the limbo dab.
I couldn't get up without ripping my pants.
Gotta look good. My turn.
Two goose. What are you gonna do?
Ooh. Got you, girl.